Let's talk about APIs. That stands for Application Programming Interface. In simple terms, APIs connect different software, kind of like bridges that let apps talk to each other. So, what does that actually mean? An API is a set of rules that lets one app safely request data or actions from another app. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, they go talk to the kitchen, and they bring it back. You don't see what happens behind the scenes, you just get the result. APIs work the same way. They make apps work together, like logging in with Google, sending photos to Instagram, or checking the weather inside a travel app. Here's the key takeaway. An API is a safe way for one app to ask another app for information or actions, like a waiter making sure your order gets handled correctly. Now, let's look at a real example. When you tap Continue with Google to sign into a new app, that app never sees your password. Instead, it sends a request to Google, Google verifies you, and then sends back a message saying, "Yes, this is really them." The API keeps your personal info safe and only shares what's necessary, just like showing your ID to a security guard. They confirm who you are, but they don't keep your ID. All right, quick knowledge check. First question. What does a Google Login API actually do? Does it A. Give the app your password, B. Safely confirm who you are, or C. Download files? The correct answer is B. It safely confirms your identity. Second, fill in the blank. APIs help apps without sharing everything. The answer is talk or communicate. Last one, true or false. Using sign in with Google is an example of an API. That one's true. So remember, an API is simply apps talking, so you don't have to.